Hello, Regal White Singer, and welcome to Back Pain Yoga Part 6. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back. I like to call it the flamingo crack. So let's get to it and do this together. Alright, first step is to balance yourself on one leg and do a little crossover and sit in the air like so. One leg. Cross your leg like this and slightly sit down. And then you can use this as a balance. With your other hand, hold your knee right here. The other hand on your hip and twist this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Same for other side. Sit in the air. Hold your knee. Hand on your hip and twist the other way. 1, 2, 3. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor, or your mom. I'm just Wedding Singer. Peace out.